Now, this is how you can manually add a Wi-Fi network on your Android phone. Let me guide you through it and explain how it would work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So, of course, whenever you open up the settings, you can go to the connections and you should be able to see the Wi-Fi at the top, right? And you can see that all of the Wi-Fi networks which are currently available are going to show up in here in the list below. So these are the automatic networks which show up. However, if you want to manually add a network, you can tap on the button below which says add a network, right? It has like the plus icon as the indicator. You can click on it. And as you can see, this gives you the ability to type in the network name, choose the security type, as well as the password. This is useful for situations where there is the hidden network. So, if you are setting up your Wi-Fi router, you can decide that your Wi-Fi is going to be visible to everybody else. But outside of that, you can also choose it to be the hidden network. In one of my previous videos, I also mentioned that, in my opinion, this is like less prominent now. Like there are less cases about this, that there are like hidden networks, but still, if there are some, this is how you can add and type in the proper name as well as the password, and then you can connect to a network manually, not through the automatic process. So if that is the thing which you had in mind, I hopefully was able to help you out. But if not, let me know below in the comments what exactly you were looking for so I can perhaps make an updated video about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.